Welcome back to computer class. So today we are going to start our fourth chapter, that is more about the keyboard. As we know that keyboard is an important part of a computer system. You can see different keys on the keyboard, right? Number keys are there, alphabet keys are there, and special keys are there, right? Arrow keys are there, like that different keys are there on the keyboard. All these keys has different functions too, right? So in this chapter we are mainly going to discuss about the different keys on the keyboard. The different keys on a keyboard are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. See, rather than this alphabet, number, function and arrow key, the other key, everything that we call it as special keys. Okay, so let us discuss it one by one. Okay, let us discuss the different keys one by one. Keys on a keyboard. The different keys on a keyboard are, first one is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are nothing but if we want to write name or if we want to make a letter on MS Word 2007, we need this alphabet keys, because to write anything, to write a letter, we need alphabets or the letters, right? So to write letter or name in computer, we need alphabet keys. Number keys. Number keys is used to type numbers. Suppose if you want to type telephone number or roll number or your class, anything, that will be in the form of numbers, right? So for that we can use number keys. Number keys are marked with 0 to 9. Number keys are marked with 0 to 9. Okay, so also we can see this numeric number lock. Okay, numeric number lock. So we can on and off this number lock. Okay, so when we type numbers using this number key, we should switch on this number lock. That is one of the main thing that we have to ensure. So number keys are used to type numbers. Third one is function key. Function keys are nothing but the keys which is used to make different functions on the computer. So function keys is used to perform special function. Function keys are marked with F1 to F12. There are 12 function keys. For example, if we click this F1, it is used for Windows help and support. F2 stands for save. F5 stands for save. Like that different functions are there. F5 stands for refresh. Refresh. So like that different functions are there for this function keys. Okay, so function keys. Next one is arrow key. Arrow keys is also called it as cursor control key, because this arrow keys are help us to move the cursor on the screen. We can move the cursor on the screen using arrow keys, right? There are 4 arrow keys, that is 4 cursor control keys, that are left, right, up and down. Clear? So this arrow keys are used to control the movement of the cursor. And the last one is special keys. Special keys are nothing but there are some keys which is used to perform some functions which we cannot do with the other keys, like alphabet, number keys or arrow keys. Okay, some commonly used special keys are Alt, backspace, enter or return, home, spacebar, delete, escape, control, end, caps lock, shift, tab. These are the most commonly used special keys. Okay, so let us discuss all these things one by one. First one that we are going to discuss is backspace key. Backspace key is an special key. What is the use of backspace key? Backspace key is used to erase whatever we have typed on the screen. So backspace key is used to erase anything that we have typed on the left side of the cursor. If we have make any mistakes, or if we want to erase anything that we have already wrote, that we can erase with the help of backspace key. Next special key is caps lock key. Caps lock key is nothing but it's a key which is used to type a capital letter. To write the letter in capital, we have to use the caps lock key. We have to switch on. Can you see the color, green color? So like that color will be there. So when we press the caps lock key, when it is on, the light will be there. Okay. After our use, we can switch off that caps lock key, so the small letter will be working automatically. So caps lock key is used to write capital letter. Then space bar key. What is the use of space bar key? Very good. That is, space bar key is used to give space between the words. Space bar key is used to give space between the words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay. So that is the use of space bar key. Then enter or return key. Enter or return key is nothing but enter key is the another name of enter key is return key. Right. So enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. When we press the enter key, the cursor will be moving to the next first line of the next line. Okay. So enter key looks like this. Okay. This is the enter key. So enter key is also used as a command key. Okay. If we want to press anything like OK or S and all, if we press this enter key, it will be directly save as a command. So enter key work as a command key. Okay. And last special key that we are going to discuss is shift key. Shift. So shift key, that is a special key which is used to type different symbols which is marked on different keys. That is, on the keyboard we can see different upon this number keys we can see different symbols. Can you see? How can we write these symbols into our letter or document? That is, we can use the shift, and along with the shift key we have to press on the symbols. So the symbol will be displayed on our document. That is the main use of the shift key. Okay. So if we press the shift key and any letter, that letter will be displayed as a capital letter. Okay. And also the main thing is we are using this shift key to access or shift key to type the special characters or special symbol which is present upon the keys. Clear? So these are the keys which we are using in MS Word 2000, that is on the keyboard. Okay, sorry, on the keyboard. So different keys on the keyboard are alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, function key and special keys.